Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Quiz World. Today I am going to share the Republic Day Quiz 2021. If you are a new visitor, please don't forget to subscribe. Also enable the nearest bell button and select the notification on. Let's get into the video. The first question is, India is officially known as Republic of India. Republic of India. India is officially known as Republic of India. When is Republic Day in India? When is Republic Day in India? Answer 26th January. January 26th is celebrating as Republic Day in India. When was the first Republic Day of India celebrated? When was the first Republic Day of India celebrated? Answer 26th January 1950. 1950, 26th January. Who takes the salute at the Republic Day parade in New Delhi? Who takes the salute at the Republic Day parade in New Delhi? Answer President. Answer is the President of India. The Republic Day parade at New Delhi starts from Answer Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Republic Day parade in New Delhi starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan. Oldest republic in the world. Which is the oldest republic in the world? Answer San Marino. San Marino is the oldest republic in the world. Moving to the next question. Smallest republic in the world. Which is the smallest republic in the world? Answer is Nauru. Nauru is the smallest republic in the world. The book Republic was written by. Answer Plato. The Greek philosopher Plato was written the book Republic. How many gun salutes are presented to the President of India on Republic Day? Answer is 21. Answer is once again 21. Which ceremonial event marks the end of the Republic Day celebrations? Which ceremonial event marks the end of the Republic Day celebrations? Answer is beating the retreat. Answer is beating the retreat. Why is 26th January celebrated as Republic Day of India? Why is 26th January celebrated as Republic Day of India? Answer, the Constitution of India came into effect. The Constitution of India came into effect. India is celebrating its Dash Republic Day in the year 2021. Answer, 72nd. India is celebrating 72nd Republic Day on 2021. Who was the first President of India on First Republic Day? Who was the first President of India on First Republic Day? Answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the Vice President of India at that time. Who unfurls the national flag in Republic Day ceremony in the state capitals? Answer, Governor. Governor unfurls the national flags in each state capitals at Republic Day. Which award is presented on Republic Day? Which award is presented on Republic Day? Answer, National Bravery Award. Answer is National Bravery Award. Thus, today's video ends here. I hope you guys like it. Also, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.